The backyard caver sent gold boxing gloves times 21.
At last! Well done, apprentice! That's exactly what we need. The elves' spells are still strong upon our eyes. It's time to fight some elves. And we've got some strong gloves. Huh! These magic gold boxing gloves are great! Ugh! You never should have come here! Huh! Hey, I've got a letter for you. Your eyes only! Ugh! Ha ha! Ugh! Ivan Ward! Perfect! This one's from Ivan! Ugh! You never should have come here. There we are. That ought to get a couple of elves out of our way. Let's see if we can find our hammer. S.K. Little, thank you for the follow. Ah, there it is. My hammer, at last. It was hiding down the bottom. Now, adventurers, we found my hammer. It's time to get busy. We've got a lot to do. What should we forge first? Well, this is not a hammer, adventurer. This is a wonderful piece of blade steel, but definitely not a hammer. S.K. Little, dubs in the chat. We'll add that to the metal pile. My hammer must be around here somewhere. Help me find my hammer, adventurer. The elves have cast a spell upon my eyes. I need some golden boxing gloves.